Hello and welcome to another video by Fitness Technology Services. Today is going to be about unjamming the gear motor. A lot of times when I get people that the gear motor is jammed up and they look at some of my other videos on how to replace it, they can't get it undone because the tension on the cable is fully tightened and they can't get enough slack. So we're just going to hit start and then we're going to do, see, now we have an error. This will usually come up E2 error, or in the older machines like this, you can see it just says error, 00 error. Usually that means that the gear motor itself is jammed up. So come down here, I'm going to show you what to do if you buy a gear motor and it's jammed up. The only thing you can really do is, since you got to replace it anyway, is disconnect it. It usually means that this worm gear here is turned too far and it's out of range, so to speak. So you're going to replace this anyway, but on the ones where you can't, you just have to take the extra step and remove the bracket is the key to that. And that will free you up Alright, so that's going to completely free up this cable here. Take all the, well, I won't take all the tension of it off, but it'll give you the ability to take out the little bracket. Alright. Then you're going to undo it, and then if your gear motor was actually broken, you'll see the video on how to install the gear motor. You would just reinstall the cable, wrap it around. Alright, so I just wanted to show you how to undo it if it's jammed and this is not spinning at all. Alright, so that's really it. This is a short one. Again, it's how to unjam your gear motor. Thanks a lot for watching. Please subscribe.